This is Motorola Moto G23, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can bypass parental controls on this device. So, to begin with, I have to note one important thing, is that in order for this method or the method that I'm going to show today to work, you have to know the child's Google account password. Otherwise, unfortunately, you will not be able to perform actions shown today or in this video. So with this out of the way, let's start the parental controls deactivation process. So first, you will need to launch settings, then enter Google category. In here, let me quickly show you that my parental controls are indeed active. As you can see, they are. So now tap at the Manage Your Google Account button. Once the Google Account Management Center gets loaded, go for the Data and Privacy. At the bottom of the page, choose the Delete Your Google Account option. Do not be afraid. Right after Google switch off parental controls, you will be also able to recover your Google account. So at any case, you will not lose it. So no worries. Onwards, enter the child's password. The following page, check those two boxes, tap at the Delete Account button. And from here you can get two types of messages, either this one explicitly stating that the account deletion was successful, or you might also stumble upon the something went wrong message. Both are fine, so if you have either, you are completely good to go. So at this point, actually the parental controls were disabled. Let me show that to you real quick. So no Google account linked. And if I'll open up parental controls, there will be none. So all that it's left to do on my end is to show how you can restore your Google account, and that's a very simple and straightforward procedure to do. Simply log into any Google service with it. So I'll choose Google Play and use the recently deleted account for sign in. So starting with email address. That's the message that you should get, saying that this account was recently deleted and may be recoverable. So we'll proceed at this point. Then enter the password. Nine out of 10 times you'll get the something went wrong message. That's completely fine as well. Do not be afraid or do not worry. Just re-enter your credentials and it will definitely work second time around. I can guarantee you that. As you can see, it led me through easily this time, so just proceed with the Google login as you would normally do. Accept all the terms, all the services, and blah blah. And as you can see here, we have our Google account successfully recovered and ready to be used. So that would be it for this video. Thanks for watching and bye bye.